Every AI video tool you're using right now is about to be obsolete. Kling 3.0 is launching in days with 4K resolution, pixel perfect editing, and 30-second clips that look like they cost $10,000 to produce. I've been tracking the leaks for weeks, and trust me, this changes everything for content creators. Watch till the end. I'm Wael Morgan from Sketchaa Merch Design, and today I'm breaking down everything we know about Kling 3.0, the public signals that confirm it's coming, and why you need to be ready the moment it drops. Plus, I'll show you how to get free early access before everyone else, and at the end of the video, I'll show you how you can use Higgsfield video editing tools to animate your designs. So let's dive in. First, let me set the stage. Higgsfield AI has one mission: to be the most creator-friendly AI video platform in the world. They have already given us access to Kling 2.6, which honestly has been incredible for creating merch, promo videos, social content, and even product demos. But Kling 3.0, this is the upgrade we have been waiting for. Right now, Kling 2.6 maxes out a 1080p resolution and 10-second clips. It's great, but it has limits. Motion can break in complex scenes, character consistency isn't perfect, and if you're trying to tell a story, 10 seconds goes by fast. Kling 3.0 is rumored to push that to native 4K output, 30-second generation videos, maybe even up to 60 seconds, with rock-solid character tracking and a unified workflow called Kling Omni that keeps everything consistent across scenes. For designers like us, making product videos, t-shirt mockup, animations, or social media ads, this is a game changer. We can also watch this video on my channel, which shows how I created this video to promote my Christmas Santa t-shirt design. Okay, going back to Kling 3.0, Higgsfield AI posted this official teaser on X just days ago. It says that Kling 3.0 is coming soon on Higgsfield. Experience 50-second clips, multi-shots, native audio, and perfect character consistency with elements. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. The ultimate AI video workflow is almost here. So this isn't just speculation, this is confirmation. Now check out this Reddit breakdown from Higgsfield community. The users spent days investigating the pattern behind recent Higgsfield releases, and the analysis is fascinating. They noticed that Kling 2.6 introduced native audio to solve lip sync issues. Then Kling 01, also called Kling Omni, tested multi-model logic for character memory. Then Canvas Agent came out, which is basically a storyboarding tool that moves us away from single prompts to full scene management. The theory, Kling 3.0 isn't delayed, it's just being stress tested in pieces. Every recent update has been a building block, and the community agrees. People are talking about 4K output, regional inpainting, which means editing specific parts of the video without regenerating everything, and a complete physics overhaul so characters can actually hug, fight, or interact with objects without that weird melting glitch we have all seen before. Alright, let's break down what we are actually expecting from Kling 3.0. Keep in mind, these aren't confirmed specs yet, but based on public signals, community discussion, and Higgsfield's own teasers, here's what is coming. First, native 4K at 60 FPS. Right now, Kling 2.6 caps at 1080p resolution. Kling 3.0 is expected to be first model to handle 4K natively. No upscaling artifacts, just clean, crispy, professional grade output. For product videos and social ads, this is huge. Second, longer clips with better stability. Instead of 10 seconds, you're looking at 50 seconds minimum, with rumors of 30 seconds or even 60-second clips for the standard generation. And here's the key: character and scene consistency across the entire clip. No more regenerating because your character's face changed halfway through. Third, macro shots with crispy details. If you're filming a close-up, say a hand holding a coffee mug with your merch design on it, you want those textures sharp. Kling 3.0 is rumored to massively improve fine detail rendering in macro shots. Fourth, regional inpainting. This is the feature everyone's excited about. Imagine you generate a video but one hand looks weird. Instead of regenerating the whole thing, you select just that hand and fix it. Pixel level editing. This saves hours. Fifth, better physics and interactions. Current models struggle when characters touch each other or grab objects. Kling 3.0 is expected to use a new physics engine, so no more melting hands, no more weird glitches when people hug or high five. Multi-shot custom sequences. Now, in Kling 3.0, you can plan out a sequence. Wide shot, close up, and lift, and Kling will generate it with strong continuity. This is next level for storytelling. Now, let's let's look at Higgsfield's own breakdown. He published a blog called Expectations from Kling 3.0, user discussions on updates, and it's packed with insights. Here they confirm community expectations, longer clips, quality upgrades, unified workflow. They are not hiding what's coming. They are building hype with us. What I love about this is how transparent Higgsfield is. They are not just dropping a product and hoping we figure it out. They are actually listening to creators, designers, and video editors to shape what Kling 3.0 becomes. And you can see in the discussions, people are asking for better lip sync, smoother motion, and more control. Guess what? Those are exactly the features Kling 3.0 is rumored to deliver. Now let me show you the Higgsfield platform real quick, because if you're not using it, you're missing out. So here's the homepage. So once you go to the Higgsfield dashboard, you will find the similar interface. You can access the video editing tools from the upper tab. Press on video, you can see all the available models. Here you can see the Kling 2.6, and you can also press on the create video to start creating a video. So here you get to choose the model you want to use, enter your prompt, and generate a video. It's as simple as that. So I'm going to upload an image to animate it. I'm going to use one of my recent designs, this best friend's design, and I'm going to use the Kling 2.6 model to animate it. You can choose between different models, and finally just add your prompt and press on the generate button. Just write what you would like to do, what you would like your image to be, how you would like to animate it. Choose, you can have the duration at 5 or 10 seconds, switch the audio button to be on or off, place your prompt and press on generate, and within a couple of seconds you will get the animated video. And here is another example where I am also animating the design itself, and of course I can use both of these results to paste on social media and get traffic and conversions on my design. Even if you don't like the generated video, you can simply regenerate it and get another result. So this is in brief how you can use the Higgsfield platform easily to animate your video or your designs. You can also check my previous videos about how I did that using some of my recent designs. And here's the kicker. Higgsfield offers free access. You don't need a massive budget to start creating professional level AI videos. When Kling 3.0 drops, early adapters will get first access. So make sure you sign up now using the links in the description. Now, why should you as a designer or content creator care about Kling 3.0? Let me break it down. If you are in print on demand like me, you know how important visual content is. A static image of a t-shirt is fine, but a video of someone wearing it moving naturally with your design on display, that converts way better. Check these videos that I have created before using two of my designs, a gym design and a Christmas design, and look how the videos took these designs to the next level. So right now, hiring a videographer or model costs hundreds of dollars. With Kling 3.0, you generate that same video in minutes, 4K quality, 50 seconds long with perfect lighting and motion. You can create Instagram Reels, TikTok Reels, YouTube Shorts, and product demos without leaving your desk. And it's not just merch. If you're doing social media marketing, storytelling, ad creatives, or even YouTube content, longer clips with better consistency mean you can actually tell a story. You're not limited to quick flashes. You can build narrative, emotion, and brand identity. The fact that it's free on Higgsfield, that levels the playing field. You don't need a Hollywood budget to compete anymore. Alright, here's what you need to do right now. Sign up for early access to Kling 3.0 on Higgsfield using the link in the description. Trust me, you want to be in the first wave when this drops. Second, check out the blog post and the Reddit threads. I've linked them below. The more you understand what's coming, the better prepared you will be to use it. Third, drop a comment and tell me what feature are you most excited about. 4K, longer clips, regional editing, let me know. And if you are into AI tools, merch design, or print on demand like I am, hit that subscribe button and I'll be covering Kling 3.0 the moment it launches. This is Willie Morgan from Sketchaa Merch Design. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.